Hello there! Today we look into the features of the search form block, which is included in the Caledros Basic Blocks WordPress plugin. This plugin can be installed directly from the plugins section of the WordPress dashboard. It's also available for download on WordPress.org and from my GitHub account. Links are provided in the video description. Content controls. In the Content tab, we can set the button text and the placeholder text of the search form block. To change the button text, we just need to type the new content in the text field. For the placeholder text, the process is the same. Style controls. In the Style tab, we can change the appearance of the search form block. We can set the background and text color of the button for both the light mode and dark mode. Like with other color controls, we can pick a custom color or a color from the theme color palette. Additional controls. In the Additional tab, there is only one control. This control allows us to change the width of the search form block. We can pick a custom width, or we can use one of the predefined values from the active WordPress theme. Thank you for watching.